here at Test Development, 520 East Main in Carnegie, Pennsylvania. It's an early 80s Westinghouse, newer innovation fire service. I think the controller is replaced, but that might have been really likely, but it seems to act like a Westinghouse a bit. It took a bit second, so we cannot use a Westinghouse. 2. Door closer press the button out like Westinghouse. Newer EPCO indicator, but we're from the 90s, so not that much newer you got. Here 2. Yeah, that did not act like a Westinghouse. I think the controller might have been replaced. At the same time, it kind of does. I don't know, it's hard to say. The certificate installed in 1980. So your early 80s, that's around what I understand. It's a basic black cab. I think it was figure green because it's figure green there. And the door opens during Pleasure Innovation. Not sure why then they added a door close button by Innovation. Hey, from ThyssenKrupp. Yeah, I think I remember actually seeing ThyssenKrupp on the records. So obviously ThyssenKrupp did some work to this. It's a weird sound. Like the door where they're closing, it's going to be